Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to finish up some things about our operator module, and then we need to bring in, you guys need to know about the Bitwise operators for and, or. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos, one subject at a time. So Bitwise Operators. So we were just going through our operator module, and we are looking at positive, negative, power, add, all of these, and we looked at operator.add, but we have not actually operator and or, but we have not talked about, because very soon, especially if we're going to do our API, our Ameritrade API, we're going to see this in our functionality for our pandas. So let's just go ahead and look at it. So we know this true and true. We get true, and we got true or false, we get true. But I want to show you the Bitwise operator for these. You have true and the and sign, and true, and then I think it's called pipe. I think I should have looked that up before I said, but it is above the enter key. It is the shift for the backslash. So true, false, and this is your or, and this is your and operators. So we know our keywords, but I thought this was the perfect time to place them in there, because especially, like I said, we're going to be utilizing them with our pandas stock screener for our API. So, all right, there we go, guys. Awesome stream today, especially if you're new here. Thanks for jumping over. Had a great time over at Free Code Camp today. Super excited with the direction we're going. If you have not joined the Discord server, we have quite a few new members, so make sure you're doing that. If you want to support the channel, make sure you're joining Patreon, and also stay tuned till the end, because like I've said before, we have over 800 videos, so there's a pretty good chance that there's going to suggest a video at the end that you have not seen before, so I don't want you missing out on anything. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell. Please drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.